Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is online quality store stevia leaves. So let's see its review and demo. This one is 100-gram pack. MRP is 300 rupees, but we got it from Amazon at a 43% discount and it has a shelf life of 24 months. The packaging is simple yet effective, airtight and resealable. And these are the stevia leaves. They are not whole leaves, they are actually crushed leaves and completely dry, so you can use it directly in your tea or milk, as these leaves will help you in the weight management, actually weight loss too, because it has zero calories, no calories. And even if you are diabetic, you can use these stevia leaves because the glycemic index is close to zero of the pure stevia leaves. Look, I have added few stevia leaves, boil them and then strain the milk. Now you can use this milk however you like. The sweetness comes out quite well. You can use this milk for your shakes, smoothies, or making curd also. But the only problem with stevia leaf is that it has an artificial taste. It will take some time for your taste buds to adjust in the beginning, but after 7-10 days you won't even realize that the tea is made up of stevia. Okay, the quality of the product is really good. Airtight container, dry, pure stevia leaves. I think you should give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.